A month ago, iFi Audio reached out to me to review their DAC and amp Diablo 2, and I was really excited to test it out. Spoiler alert, it was quite an experience. While I absolutely love some things about this DAC and amp, there are definitely some scope of improvement as well. Let's check it out. Before starting, special thanks to iFi Audio for providing me the unit for review, and all the opinions are mine. I will leave their links in description, so do check out. So let's dissect in detail, starting with the package and the build. iFi Audio has left no stone unturned to provide you a premium end-to-end experience for Diablo 2. It comes with everything that you need out of the box. It comes with Diablo 2 power supply, Type-C adapter, USB-C cable, C to Lightning, C to A adapter, an optical adapter, a 1/4 inch adapter, and one of the most practical carrying case for a DAC. Lastly, it has interesting modular stands as well that comes with it. They call it wings. Quite a package iFi delivered here. The DAC is fully metal built with built-in ridges for heat dissipation, as well as to slid in these wings and elevate it for desk usage. Seriously, the designer of Diablo 2 deserves a raise. Thinking about a DAC, its usability, converting it into a desktop usage, as well as providing the carrying case that goes really well with it, and you can use the DAC within the carrying case. The DAC is advertised as portable powerhouse. While this is a powerhouse, I would not call it as portable. It is borderline portable. I would personally use it as a desktop unit rather than a portable unit. For me, anything more than this X2 XD05 Bal 2 is not portable, though the design is very thoughtful. In front, we have a volume knob with volume lock as well. If you slit this lock, it will not rotate and lock at one place. You turn it on and off via the knob as well. Adjacent to it, we have 1/4 inch and 4.4 outputs. There's a LED light as well, which gives you mode indicator via colors. On top of it, we have MEMS button. MEMS button is useful if you have some IEM that has xMEMS driver. I do not own any xMEMS driver stuff, so I was not able to test it. I just played around it with different IEMs and headphones, and I felt this just improves the game. Though if you have MEMS driver and Diablo 2, do share in comments how does it affect your IEM. Then we have 3 gain mode: normal, turbo and nitro. Personally, I never went above turbo. Normal itself is a huge gain for most of my stuff. I only use turbo in some very demanding headphones or some planar headphones. Now in the backside, you have all the inputs. You have 2 USB-C, one for charging, one for signal input. Then you have 4.4, one optical and coaxial, and a Bluetooth switch. Yes, it supports Bluetooth and all the latest codecs as well. I will share them in the specification. Behind the back, we also have IEMs switch, which has 3 modes: 6.35, off and 4.4. My personal suggestion would be to keep it off. It changes the sound of the IEM or headphone that you are listening. Especially if you are listening to IEMs over it, I would not suggest IEMs. In fact, this whole DAC is an overkill for an IEM. It complements the headphones really well. However, for IEM, not a suggestible product. Even the brand suggests to use it with headphones and not with IEMs, and that's what I found in my testing as well. Especially IEMs changes the impedance and the sound, so not a good idea. For specification, it has a BurrBrown chipset with a maximum output of 19.2 volt. Here are the specifications. It supports PCM 768, DSD 512 and full MQA decoding. With Bluetooth of 5.4, it has added advantage with latest codecs and latency, and it performed really well for Bluetooth in my testing. For power and drivability, this thing is a transformer. While there are debate around the power output that it produced, I will leave a link to the video that Golden Sound created for this topic. However, for practical usage, this thing is powerful. I did not even use nitro even once. Normal and turbo was more than enough to drive all my planar headphones and some high impedance headphones as well. In fact, it is such an overkill product, I would say they should add one low gain mode as well. So you will have no issue driving any of your headphones until unless it's something rarely demanding and needs some special energizer, then you know your stuff and you know what you need to buy. Overall, I would say iFi has left no stone unturned creating this product via feature, specification and design. Absolutely fantastic. Though with all these components and build, how does it sound? Let's find out. Sound is natural and has a very good weight note to it. In fact, iFi utilized the BurrBrown chipset perfectly on Diablo 2 and maintained the very nice analytical nature with that perfect weight note. The bass has a good extension, impact and tactility to it. In the mid-range, it again produces the same vocal and timbre that your headphone produces and do not tamper with anything. Treble again is very detailed, good texture, there's no harshness or fatigue, even with the high analytical nature that it comes with. Overall, if I have to explain in one sentence, I would say it's clean, energetic and well layered sound that Diablo 2 produced. It paired exceptionally well with all the planars and the Sennheisers, especially HD800S came to life when I used with this DAC. So all in all, let's see what I like, what I did not like in Diablo 2. First and foremost, what I like is the premiumness and the functional design that it produced is fantastic. The design is functional and it feels so premium and looks pretty on the desk as well. Second, the amplification. It has epic amplification with 3 modes and I did not find anything in my arsenal at least that it could not power. Very powerful DAC. Third, I really like the versatility in the connectivity of Diablo 2. It used all the inputs and outputs that are needed in this modern time. Now what I did not like. Number 1, portable powerhouse. While it is marketed as portable, it is not portable at all. At least I do not find it very portable. Second, as I suggested, the normal gain mode itself is very high. So in my opinion, there should be one more gain mode that is lower than that. And if that is the case, we can use that with the IEM itself very comfortably. As of now, I do not suggest this DAC and amp for IEMs. And lastly, the IE match feature. Personally, I did not like it. I kept it on off. When changing it, it changes impedance, the sound signature. Not my cup of tea. So in conclusion, the iFi Diablo 2 is an extremely powerful feature-packed DAC and amp. With a premium build, rich connectivity, excellent sonic performance, I would say it's a total package. I would give this a solid 4 stars and I definitely recommend this to someone who wants something powerful for their audiophile gears. Well, this was it for Diablo 2. It was an exceptional product. Do share your thoughts in comments. Do subscribe and I'll see you on the next one.